In today's video, we'll be talking about the froth wand. The froth wand for your coffee machine is used to froth milk for your latte and for your cappuccino. How you froth for a latte and cappuccino is by sticking the froth wand into your pitcher filled with milk. Your froth wand is hot upon using it. Because of that, milk that's in your pitcher normally gets sticks to the wand and it's really hard to remove it. There will be gradual build-up of milk on your frothing wand. As more milk is built up, the power of your frother will be reduced. Now let me teach you how to do maintenance and to clean your frother. It is recommended to clean your frother once every 2 or 3 days, or when you find that the power for your frothing wand has been greatly reduced. Regular maintenance to clean your frother is part and parcel of owning a coffee machine or an espresso machine, as well as a duty for the barista or someone who makes the coffee. Step number 1. Take a milk pitcher, fill it up with really hot or boiling water. Insert the frothing wand directly into the hot water inside the pitcher. To make things easier, you can elevate the pitcher using a plate, a saucer, a bowl. In this case, I'm using a portafilter basket. You would like to leave it alone, let it soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, I will advise you do not purge your wand, because when you purge your wand, steam will escape from the wand. You would like the hot water to get inside your frother so that it will dislodge and clean the inside of your frother. After 3 to 5 minutes, you can purge your frothing wand now, and then you can find a cloth to wipe your frothing wand. Special bonus tips. Tip number 1. For better results, you can use espresso soap or a special detergent for cleaning your frother. Tip number 2. If your frother is really filthy and dirty and you have not been cleaning it for some time, you may want to repeat the cleaning process 2, 3, 4 or 5 times. Remember to do regular maintenance on your espresso or coffee machine. This is very important part of coffee making. This is to ensure that your frother is working at top condition.
Goodbye and please subscribe. I make coffee. Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.